Son, a strong leader. Thank you. She's our vice president. Association that empowers women. As you can see, we have. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, we have Miss Farana. Miss Farana's Ashna is one of the more eaten. So whatever I said about Farana's, same goes to Shana. Something she will voice out. She's one of those, a very strong leader and capable.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much to each one of you for joining us on this evening today. Thank you. Yes, and next up, may I please invite Mr. Faisal Amin, one of our graduates, onto the stage to speak a few words on this occasion. So a big round of applause. Thank you so much.